dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The Kano APC has suspended their chairman Abdullahi Ganduje over alleged bribery. Moving on, we have, amidst the PDP crisis, the Northern Group rejects article. They have endorsed Wike as the party leader. Alright, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back update as it dey hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever our news drops, so that now you go be the first to watch. My people no be small matters at the apple for this country. That the matter I carry go give what we say. The national chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Abdullahi Ganduje, has been suspended from the party. He was suspended by the member of his ward, the Ganduje ward, in the Dakwanki Tofa local government of Kano State on Monday, April 15, 2024. The former governor was suspended for alleged bribery leveled against him by the Kano State government. Speaking with newsmen, the legal advisor of the ward, Haluri Gawazo, accused the former governor of gross misconduct and misappropriation of public funds during his administration in the state. My people, no be small matter. This politician want just root all our money finish. Hey, no be small matter. This regime just came to suck us. They came to suck our blood. He went on to say that the suspension of the party national chairman was an unanimous decision of the member of the ward. He said Ganduje could not clear his name amid corruption allegations that followed the 8 years administration. They decided to suspend Dr. Ganduje from the party due to the seriousness of the allegation against him. My people, not be small matter. You guys can recall that the Kano High Court had said that Ganduje will on April 17, 2024 be arraigned on charges bordering on allegation of bribery, diversion and misappropriation of funds, including the purported acceptance of $413,000 and 1.38 billion in bribes. The Kano State Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice Haruna, who confirmed the development, said that Ganduje would be arraigned alongside his wife and 6 others. That the accused individuals, as listed in the right of someone, include Abdullahi Omar Ganduje, Hafsat Omar, Abubakar Bawuro, Omar Abdullahi Omar, Jubri Mohammed, Lamash Property Limited, Safari Textile Limited, and Listed General Enterprise. The Kano State government, which initiated the criminal suit against the 8th respondent, declared the readiness to present 15 witnesses to testify before Justice Usman Naba of State High Court Number 4. So it is very true that they have filed the case and is going to hold on the 17th April 2024. So what they cannot confirm is whether he is served or not, but he will definitely be served. They do further highlighted that significance of accountability in governance, remarking what Ganduje doesn't understand is that he cannot run away from the evil day. It will definitely come to him, and this will even serve him as a deterrent to all of them that are also in government now. The commissioner also addressed that the jurisdictional aspect of the case, asserting that he was saying that he cannot prosecute him, forgetting that the offense also falls under the category of the state's offenses. So it's not totally a federal affair, and they have even appealed to the Justice Lima ruling on that. My people, don't be smart. My people, the masses are against him. Some are saying that he's working freely after pocketing almost 420 USD bribe. That if he happened to be in China, that he would have been liquidated with an anti-aircraft machine gun. My people, don't be smarting. So now his ward has to suspend him. If a tree is removed from the roots, does he have any stamina to stand? No. Atansi Boshomole, APC national chairman, lost the same office under Buhari because his ward suspended him as a party member. So he cannot be a national chairman of APC when he is not an APC member at this moment. It has happened before now. That be small matter. Once the ward you registered as a member suspend you, automatically it will affect your membership nationwide. That is the truth. This is how civilized government should act. My people, as the matter they be, does it mean that they have set him up for the drugs? I be EFCC they warm up. So guys, I go like make I know what I think about this matter in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. As the crisis over who controls the soul of the People Democratic Party (PDP) rages on, Northern Group has rejected the overture of the 2023 presidential candidate of the party, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, and they have voted for the leadership of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike. Just 3 days to the crucial meeting of the National Executive Council of the National Electoral Commission of the party Arewa PDP Transparency Group said that the recent media war over who becomes the national leader of the major opposition party to champion the affair of the PDP on Thursday. The National Electoral Commission meeting was unnecessary since Wike has the capacity to turn the fortunes of the party around for good. A statement by the Honorable Haruna Batio, National Chairman of the Arewa PDP Transparency Group on Monday, said that the leadership means care, concern and responsibility. So it is not self-serving, not periodic and not spontaneous. The PDP, as the biggest opposition party in Africa, has suffered a lot of leadership crisis, which resulted in their loss of power at the national level from 2015 to date. So these crises are largely self-inflicted due to insensitivity, lack of political vision, lack of care, concern and respect for the vision of the founding fathers of the party and for the yearning and aspiration of the Nigerian citizens. Charity, as they say, begins at home. A party whose leadership cannot take care of their own, showing good leadership, definitely cannot take care of Nigeria and offer good leadership. So they wish to particularly bring to the attention of the leadership of the party that the fear by some PDP leaders about their excellency Chief Barrister E.N. Wike appointment in an APC government is born out of jealousy, hate, bitterness, bias and their blindness to the political reality that the failure by the PDP to ensure power rotation to the South led to their loss of power at the center. My people don't be smarty. So they say if such fear are genuine as they claim, why was the PDP still able to win governorship and other elections in states across the nation? Metro noted that in the statement made available in Port Harcourt that having assessed the performance of their leaders, Arewa PDP Transparency Group says no self-serving leadership, only at times of physical interest, non-inclusivity, lack of concern, sustenance and responsibility in the management of their affairs of the People Democratic Party, and they hereby endorse His Excellency Chief Nyesom Wike as the Post Africa and Life Venture as the national leader of the People Democratic Party. My people don't be small matter. Despite how gara Nyesom Wike they be, many people still love her. Nyesom Wike mans well. He don't position many people everywhere. Most of them have continued to root for Nyesom Wike despite him serving under APC regime in FCT. My people don't be small matter. More we pray for peace in PDP because at this matter they play, many people could go against this stuff. So guys, I would like make I know what I think about this matter in the comment section. I could like hear from Mona. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to your support. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when there's a drop our video because I'm sure you don't want to miss out enjoying our latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for staying to yours. To all our viewers, thank you all so much for staying to yours. On this note, we have come to the end of the segment. Like, comment your winners. Stay safe, guys. Bye.